That's the talent, guys. Oh, that fish was amazing.
Oh, yeah, 踢你了。
Wow. Oh
my gosh!
yes. Oh my God, the net was damaged. Just miss.
有人
Wow, really funny video.
Oh my god!
Oh, beautiful guys.
Huh?
Oh,
Oh my gosh!
pickle box.
给你们看这个东西，就是这个水龙头，它这样子能放，它360度都能转。
哎呦我的妈！
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, she's woman
老
was.
公，别吃西瓜了，我给你榨个西瓜汁儿。
谢谢老婆。
Huh?
不对啊，老婆，咱家没有榨汁机，你这西瓜怎么榨的？
你别笑。
哎呦我的妈！
Oh.
哎，
Oh my god!
This was written. Return must. Push-ups. Push-ups fun. Hi friends, namaskar ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. I am Sagar. Today I have new one fun video. This video is taken wines fun best. Let's start the video. Fun with fun life. Let's start.
你看这马又翻在这儿。
Whoa! He was fall down. Oh shit! Oh, baby doll. Beer. That baby was laughing. Very funny. Oh! Oh, she's fall down. That's why nose.
Oh my
Wow.
gosh!
What happened here? I don't know. Please comment, please. I don't know what happened here.
还记得多
Wow.
年前
What
跟你
the?
说，你都害羞都不敢碰，只会。Huh?
That's amazing.
你别笑，做一个专业的演员吧。
我真服了啊！刚装好的卫生间，
Oh,
来，
wow. It's amazing. Oh, oh, whoa, whoa. What a fun video.
Tính là tí sạ, tính là tí
Oh,
sạ.
whoa, whoa, she's gone. She's gone. Wow. What a fun video. She's mostly fall down. Oh. Yeah, sorry. Oh, badly.
Huh? Huh?
如果不是亲眼所见，
Oh, that baby was makeup kid.
Huh?
She don't know cockroaches. She's on chest.
Huh?
You don't know. She's like inside the cockroach. Oh
夏天到了，买个雪糕吃。
哎呦我的妈！
我去。
阳光优雅的漫步绿甸的草坪，人鱼在诗歌墙壁弹奏着诗歌。
Wow. His face was amazing.
Oh.
Wow.
Huh?
The shoes was very beautiful.
Huh?
哎呦我的妈！
Huh?
Wow.
Huh?
And he's amazingly fall down.
哎呀哎呀哎呀哎呀！
Oh, he's gone.
如果不是亲眼所见，我是万万不敢相信的。
Wow.
不能哦。是啊。
我在家偷偷拍辣妹视频。
Wow. What a guy.
哎呦我的妈！
What a guy. Ah.
这你别
Oh my
笑。
god, he's gone.
做一个专业的演员吧。
Oh.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
She's gone outside after the ground. Wow, she's tallest woman.
我的花呢？我给你准备了，在哪儿呢？我给你取去啊。你看这花行不行？这花下这花是永垂不朽，不结了。有蓝的，有蓝的，还有白的。
你别笑。
我操！打他！
Oh, shit. His head was damaged. His time is gone.
Huh? Huh?
Wow, shower. Water shower.
Huh?
哎呦我的妈！
Wow, what? He was saved. That's a friend. Wow, what a funny video. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like this video. Thank you and bye bye. Tada.